Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and then launch the update. Check your iPhone's iOS version and available storage because updates need room. Once done, backup notes to iCloud or export crucial items, make sure nothing is lost. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power. Updates are large and can stall on battery. Now open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update to begin the install process. Follow on-screen prompts. You'll continue by executing the core install and verifying data migration. Tap Download and Install and allow the file to fully download. Progress bars matter, so be patient. Keep the device awake and plugged in. Do not force restart during this stage, because interruptions can corrupt app data. After reboot, open Settings right arrow Notes and confirm your default account and iCloud sync are enabled. If the Notes app prompts for new features, accept them so your notes use the upgraded form. You'll finish by validating the upgrade and resolving common hiccups. Open Notes and scan folders, recent edits, and pins to confirm everything migrated correctly. This checks search and attachments too. If sync stalls or notes appear absent, force quit the Notes app and relaunch, then toggle iCloud Notes off and on. This forces a fresh sync. If problems persist, restore the Notes data from your iCloud or device backup. One tip: if a specific note is corrupted, copy its text into a new note and delete the damaged file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.